guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh no do no good. Alright, this is your girl Cleo. I'm cooking with Cleo. So today I'm gonna be making some dumplings, banana, corn, yellow yam, what a yellow yam, pretty man, not the truth. And of course guys, I'm gonna be making ackee and salt mackerel, not saltfish today, salt mackerel guys. If you never tried this before, you need to try it. Let me tell you something, salt mackerel and ackee is the bomb. I don't know, personally I love it even more than with the saltfish. Tastes very good guys. If you never tried it before, please do. So this is my cornmeal with my flour. I'm gonna make it up. My water is on. I'm gonna boil the salt mackerel off a little bit in that. Okay guys, so I'll be back. So this is my mackerel fillet guys. I'm going to be using with my ackee. I'm going to put it in a pot now. I'm going to make my dough now guys. I'm just washing my hands. Okay. What we do, just combine the cornmeal with the added my salt. Just kind of make a little opening there. Guys, my mother make the best cornmeal dumpling. When I tell you they're tight, that's why I like cornmeal dumpling. I don't like it too soft. I like when it's very tight when you cut into it. That's what I'm doing guys. I know some people still can't make dough for a dumpling. Ain't nothing to feel bad about. Just follow the step and just do. Okay? Practice becomes perfect. I'm making up some good old Jamaican food, you know? Salt mackerel, ackee. Yeah man, eat that. Salt mackerel and ackee, probably a lot of people don't know about it, but trust me, it's very tasty guys. Try it and let me know. You could even use ackee with tin mackerel. I've done that so many times back home when I was in Jamaica. You can do it with corned pork as well. Yep, chicken back, fry the chicken back very dry, and do it the ackee with it as well. There, talk about man. Anything everything else, man, you just cook it up and nice it up. Okay? This is my dough, guys. Just going to let it rest until I'm ready to make my dumplings. So guys, I'm going to put my corn, because I'm doing corn as well, okay? I'm not cooking a lot of food. I know that salt mackerel and saltfish is not the traditional way guys, but you always should try new stuff. Okay? Going to peel my yam now guys. Okay? This is a nice piece of yellow yam. And guys, you can hold it with something, paper towel, dish rag or something, because sometimes these yam they scratch. You don't want to get it on your skin, okay? So there it is. Just gonna wash it off. Add it to my boiling water. wash my hand and come right back to make those dough dumplings. Guys, I finished boiling off my salt mackerel, so I'm just going to take them out the pot here. Okay. Turn the stove off. So that's that. This is it. Okay. I'm going to make my dough. So just pinch like this. A lot of people can't make dumpling. I don't make them the prettiest either, but guess what? It's not the low, you know. Yeah, so these are mine. As you can see, the water is boiling. Okay, so put my dough in there. So I made that. I'm going to make another one on camera. Like I said, I don't make them the prettiest either, but guess what? I get the job done. Okay. I'll make the rest off camera, guys. So guys, I'm just going to wash off my tinaki here. Even though when I got it from the supermarket, we always wipe them down, you know, from this corona thing. We even get more into this thing, man. Seriously. So guys, this is what I do. Let me explain this part for you. Like I said, I'm using salt mackerel, not saltfish, right? Which is a traditional saltfish, because that's our national dish, ackee and saltfish. But guys, I love it with the salt mackerel. I don't know if you have ever tried it before, but if you haven't tried it before, please do. And what I do, guys, the water that I boil this off in, because it's very salty, so you gotta like scald it off, boil it off, whatever you call it. And then I open this, and I use the same salt mackerel water to just cook my ackee for about 2 minutes. Even though it's already cooked, I just want to get the salt taste into the ackee, because normally we will cook ackee in the saltfish water back home or so, or even when we get some from Jamaica, when anybody coming up and they bring some for us, we'll do it like that. But with this, you have to be careful because it's already cooked, so it just break away. So don't do it for too long, just to get that salt mackerel taste in the ackee itself. Okay. And guys, another thing too, I'm cooking banana, but I don't peel them like we used to do in Jamaica, like give yourself all of that work. I just kind of like just cut this off, cut here, you know, and just pour it like so. Okay, and wash it. Please wash it. I have my vegetable brush here, so make sure to wash it out properly, guys, because we're gonna cook it in the pot with the rest of the food, right? Okay, so this is what I do. Just thought I'd share that with you guys. Okay, so it's in the pot. Okay, in the skin and everything. All right. And also, guys, whatever water that was in the tin, but the ackee, please to drain it off. Okay. Guys, also I just put a little oil in my pot with my food, you know, just so the banana won't turn the rest of food dark. That's what I do. Okay, food will boil up, guys. It's a bubble up. Okay, so guys, my ackee is done. I'm just going to cut my seasoning up for my ackee and salt mackerel. You don't have to cut it in any particular form. Seriously. Okay. I'm using some bell peppers, guys. I like when it's cut a little big. Yeah, I like to cut it a little big in my salt mackerel. Not too fine. I'm using yellow and green. I'm using some tomato here. Piece of scotchy, Claudia. I I really scratching no man, you know, cook you smell it from a mile. Yes guys. I'm coming at their food there, you know. I'm trying out the time. Oh god, this place because sometimes you can't find time for yourself, truly. Guys, if you're wondering why I put in so many tomatoes in, because I like mine with a lot of tomatoes, okay? I'm putting in a little bit of pepper here. A little spice, not much. Right? So guys, just feel for any bone you might feel with your finger like so. See? You know, you'll find bone in it a little, but sometimes these little bone mischievous and go go your throat, man. What? That's a nice feeling. This salt mackerel, guys, see? So just kind of scrape this off. The black part here. Okay. Pumpkin on top. I did my highlight up. Well, I don't know, guys, for my mackerel and ackee. And maybe you guys gonna say, oh, she used so much oil. You don't want so much oil. Girl, let me tell you something. When you're making dishes like this, I almost run down your corner of your mouth. Okay? I saw Alfred the way you cut him out when you eat ackee and saltfish or ackee and them something. Remember me tell you, wow, a sweet sauce. Okay guys, these are my seafood. Put our color for this. Pepper, onion, tomato, and of course a little spice. So this is Scotch cheese inside of it. Okay guys, so let's try this. Before I had my saltfish, my salt mackerel, I keep saying saltfish, my salt mackerel, sorry guys. Guys, if you ever tried like this before, you had it like this before, let me know in the comments, please. This is something that I do all the time. Not try, I do it all the time. I have saltfish in the fridge. I didn't want any saltfish today. I want to put salt mackerel. I love ackee and salt mackerel. I tell you, no, it tastes good. It tastes so good. Just trying to saute out these tomatoes and sweet pepper. You know. I'm adding in my salt mackerel, guys. Guys, if I was just going to eat this like so, without the ackee, I would just stick a little vinegar in it. But I'm not going to do it because I'm putting ackee in it. I'm just adding my ackee now, guys. And that's why I say you gotta be careful with this ackee because it's already cooked. But I like to put it in the salt mackerel water just to get that taste. You know, that kind of authentic taste, like you boil together and, you know, they married and fall in love kind of taste that we are talking about. Alright guys, this is black pepper, okay? Like you cannot cook ackee and saltfish, ackee and salt mackerel, cannot without the little black pepper. No sir, that don't make sense. So that can go. Oh my god, this looks so pretty. This looks so nice. Yes, guys. So that's my ackee and salt mackerel. There you go. How beautiful is that? I know you'd like some push. Nice, guys. So this is all done now, okay? Just ready to serve. Welcome back, guys. So this is my finished dish. My salt mackerel with ackee. There it goes. I know you guys might be thinking, oh, it's too much starch. I don't eat this all the time. I'm not full like this in a little bit. Okay? So there it is, guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up on this video if you like it. Or whole Jamaican food, right? Good old yam and banana and stuff and stuff. You know the steps. Thank you, guys. See you next time.